love to teach you a couple of things today. Yoga is fantastic, and you don't have to be flexible to do it. You don't have to be in shape to do it. Yoga will help you wherever you're at. And we're just going to start today with some basic stretches. It should feel really good, and I'm going to teach you to tune in to your breathing. So begin just seated in a nice, easy position. Legs crossed. Maybe if that's uncomfortable for you, you can have your legs out in front of you. That's fine. You can even sit like this, or just find some comfortable seated position. It doesn't really matter what your legs are doing. And then close your eyes and notice your breathing. Notice your inhales and your exhales. And now what I'd like to start doing is move with your breath. So as your breath fills your lungs, lift your chin up to the sky. And then as you exhale, tuck your chin and just feel that flexion and extension in your neck. As you look up and down, the main focus here being moving with your breath, inhaling as you look up and exhaling as you look down. And you can go at a different speed than me, that's fine. Eyes can be open or closed, whatever helps you the most to really notice your breath. And move with your breathing. Very simple. Now let's make this a little bit bigger. And start to move your shoulders as well. So press your shoulders forward as you lift your chin up. And then round your back. Kind of hollow out your belly. This is a seated cat and cow. That's what this is called. So following your breath again. Looking up as you inhale. And then rounding in as you exhale. Following your breath. And now making that even bigger, let's bring arms up as you look up and arms down as you look down. Arms up and exhale, arms down. Following your breath. Once again, you do not have to move at the same speed as me. I want you to move at the same speed as you're breathing. So arms up as you breathe in, arms down as you breathe out. And your gaze and shoulders also follow. See the slight back bend as you look up. Nice rounding of the spine as you tuck your chin. Good. It should feel so nice. That's just a simple warm-up. You can shift your legs if you want. We'll do something a little different now. Continuing to follow the breath, let's bring the arms all the way up and touch your fingertips together. And then lean to one side as you exhale. Inhale, come back. Straight up, look up. And then exhale, bend over to the other side. We call this a side bend. You should feel a nice stretch all the way from your hip through your arm, all the way to your fingertips. And again, following your breath, the exhale bends you off to the side. The inhale brings you back up. And just follow your breathing from side to side. Good. Now we'll take it a little bit farther. As you exhale, bring your forearm to the ground and then come all the way over your ear. Might hold this 1 or 2 breaths, a little bit longer so you really get the benefit of this stretch. Good. Inhale, come back up. And go to the other side. And even though we're holding this for a couple of breaths, again, we're going to follow the breath to move. So wait till you inhale and then sit up tall. And then exhale off to the other side. Inhale to come up. Good, and now bring your legs out in front of you. Shake them out a little bit. And we'll finish with some stretches. First, we'll do staff pose. I love staff pose. It looks so easy, but it's really so active. So start by flexing your feet. So pull those toes towards your body. Activate all those muscles in your feet. Feel your calves strength. All the muscles in your legs become active as you really charge up your legs and your feet. And then place your hands next to you, palms down, and press your arms down into the floor. Activate your core, pull your belly button in. Roll your shoulders down and back. Continue to press the floor away, activating everything in your arms, your core, your shoulders, your chest. And then look up as you inhale, and then exhale. Bring your gaze straight in front of you. Tuck your chin just slightly. This is staff pose. Every muscle is engaged. It's very active. Now we're going to release everything. Just sort of let all of your muscles disengage. Just let them relax and release. It may not look very much different externally, but internally you should feel such a huge relief. Whew, you're just relaxed now. All right, inhale, sit up a little bit taller, bring your hands to your hips. Exhale, bend at your hips forward, just a little tiny bit, until you feel like, oh, that's about as far as I can go. And that's where you stay. And then just kind of melt into it. Let your head drop a little bit forward. Relax your knees. Relax your shoulders. Nice seated forward fold. If you'd like to slide your hands down your legs towards your feet, you can do that. Reach as far as you'd like to, as far as is comfortable. This is not a stretch. It's just a relaxation. Going to slowly release all those tight muscles, but we're not really going to force it. It's nice and easy, nice and gentle, and nice and slow. Good. Come back up and bring your feet together. Let the soles of your feet touch. This is butterfly pose. Now you probably have your heels pretty close to your body. Go ahead and push them out a little bit further. This is a nicer stretch for the lower back, which I prefer when I'm doing butterfly. I like to open my feet out wide so that I can really feel it in my lower back. And then you can rest your arms on your knees just to open a little bit more with the weight of your arms. Or you can reach with your thumbs to the balls of your feet and open your toes like a book. Notice what that does for your hips. Or you can forward fold, slightly bending at the hips. And just finding the point where you feel like you've gone just enough. I love holding butterfly for a really long time. A nice butterfly forward fold is really great for the lower back. If you've got an ache in your lower back, just sit like this for 5 or 10 minutes. It works wonders. But right now, we're not going to sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Go ahead and slowly come back up. And bring your legs out in front of you. One leg in front of you. And then the other leg crosses over at the knee. So from here, you're going to take the opposite hand of the leg that's crossed over, okay? So the hand that's near these toes. And you're going to reach that elbow towards the knee. You might place it on the side of the knee, or you might wrap it around, whatever feels most comfortable to you. This one's going to be a little more accessible. This is going to give you a deeper twist. And then this hand is going to reach behind, directly behind your spine. Place your hand on the floor, palm down, and then twist. Turning your head towards the shoulder that's behind you. And breathing, letting your breath spiral through your ribs. Feeling that deep twist. As you inhale, stretch up a little bit higher. Reach your head up. And then exhale, twist just a tiny bit deeper. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. And now let's unwind. Shake that leg out in front of you. And we'll take it off to the other side. So now the right knee bends. Well, the other knee, whichever knee you did is fine. So you're going to take the other knee, bend it up, and place the foot over here. Now, this is the hand that's going to come up and cross over your knee. Reach your opposite hand behind you. Palm down by your spine. And then twist as you look over your shoulder behind you. Inhale up. Exhale, twist a little more. Inhale, reach up tall. And exhale, twist. 2 more breaths. And then slowly unwind. Good. All right, the last thing we get to do is a nice relaxation pose called Savasana. Just lay down on your back, all the way down. And find some stillness here. Notice your breath and let it go. Nice big sigh. Notice any tension in your body and breathe it away. Notice your forehead, your cheeks, your neck, your chin. Relax each of those parts of your body. Relax your shoulders, your elbows. Let your hands just melt into the floor. Relax your belly and your hips, your legs, and feet. And just breathe. Take this chance to completely relax in Savasana. Good. Start to wiggle fingers and toes. And wake yourself up from this nice rest. Rotate wrists, rotate ankles. Snap, crackle, and pop. And then bring yourself back up to seated pose, however you'd like to get there. I'm so glad you joined me for yoga today. I hope you feel amazing. I hope you've learned how to pay attention to your breathing and to find a little bit of calm and relaxation. Now let's take one breath together and then we will close. Inhale, arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, bring your thumbs down to your heart center. The light in me honors and respects the light in you. Namaste. Bye. Thank you.